Okay, this is the next question. For what positive value of c does this equation log x is equal to c times x raised to the power of 4 have exactly one real solution? To answer this question, we need the graph. Okay, now y is equal to c times x power 4. Now this graph is going to be something like this, and y is equal to log x. This graph is going to be hitting and going like this. So this is x-axis, this is y-axis. As x is moving towards 0, y is equal to log x will actually go down. It is going down. It will be moving towards negative infinity. And as x is moving towards positive infinity, right, y is equal to log x. This will increase enormously. Okay, so in both the cases what we see here is the function is actually inclined towards two extremities. So above the x-axis it is increasing, and below the x-axis it is actually going down. Now let us see y is equal to c times x raised to the power of 4. Now as x is moving towards infinity, y is equal to cx to the power of 4 is also heading towards infinity. Okay, so both these functions are increasing. Both these functions are increasing. So what is the meaning of this? This means they will just have one solution. Just have one solution. Okay, the possible solution will occur at their point of tangency. For this, the slope of two functions should be equal. So this means d over dx of log x is equal to d over dx of c times x raised to the power of 4. If you differentiate, you get 1 over x. You differentiate, you get 4 times c x raised to the power of 3. So therefore 1 over 4 times x raised to the power of 4 is equal to c. But we know that log x is equal to c times x raised to the power of 4. I substitute this, so this is going to be 1 over 4 times x raised to the power of 4 times x raised to the power of 4. So they get cancelled, so I get log x is equal to 1 over 4. Now I'm taking this to the base e, so x is equal to e raised to the power of 1 over 4 is the value. Now since c is equal to 1 over 4 times x raised to the power of 4, I'm going to substitute this value 1 over 4 times e raised to the power of 1 over 4 raised to the power of 4, which is going to give me 1 over 4 times e raised to the power of 1 over 4 times 4. Now a raised to the power of m multiplied with 1 over n is equal to a raised to the power of m over n from the law of indices. So that means 4 and 4 gets cancelled, giving me 1 over 4 times e. So therefore c is equal to 1 over 4e. So this is the required solution for this question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.